Everything on Earth is interconnected. No matter how diverse and unrelated the subjects may seem, there is always some connection. Science, history, art, they all relate to one another. In this video, we'll explore these connections.
We are both interested in writing, so we directed our research towards an object that has been necessary for writing for centuries, the pencil.
A pencil is made up of many components. The wood of the pencil shaft is made of incense cedar, which is soft enough to sharpen well, but hard enough not to bend under the pressure of writing. The lead is made of a mixture of graphite powder and clay, baked in an oven at 800 degrees Celsius. The metal that holds the eraser, called the ferrule, is made of aluminum. Glue that is slightly elastic holds the lead in the shaft. The finish is non-toxic with a high gloss. Finally, the eraser is made of soft pink rubber.
While soft pink rubber sounds simple enough, the process of making it is actually fairly complicated. The rubber itself comes from rubber trees, in the case of American producers, usually in Malaysia. The trees produce latex, which, in factories, is mixed with zinc oxide, titanium oxide, and iron oxide to produce the pink pigment. To make the latex from rubber trees usable in pencils, it must first be vulcanized. It is crushed into a powder, then mixed with vegetable oil, pumice, and sulfur for pigment. This mixture is then heated. This process is called vulcanization. The rubber is then more durable and heat resistant.
The rubber is shaped into a plug and inserted into the ferrule, which is attached to the end of the pencil with glue. The rubber that is used in pencil erasers can come from two different sources. The most commonly used form of rubber in pencil erasers is natural rubber, using latex from rubber trees. The other form of rubber is synthetic rubber. While synthetic rubber is more chemically inert and therefore more durable, this same quality means that it is not very degradable. When left in a dump, these polymers can take up to 500 years to break down. It is not just synthetic rubber that takes a long time to degrade. Any rubber left in a dump will take a long time to break down. Still, natural rubber is a better option due to this factor.
Throughout our research, we have confirmed that even the smallest and simplest of objects, a pencil, is the product of a long and complicated process. Even just the eraser must go through a multi-step process, beginning with the rubber trees in Malaysia and ending with a pencil in your hand.
After viewing this video, we ask you to consider, where do all those common objects you use really come from? A pencil is not just a pencil. It is trees, graphite, and latex. The components of your pencil come from across the world. Chemistry is not just a boring school subject. It is an integral part of the production process.